Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sat Sri Akal. I am Govind and welcome back to our YouTube channel once again. So today we are again back with one of our projects that is again on robotic welding application. This time in our robotic welding system we are working on a part called as Fender Seat. This is basically a tractor component that we are working on. So if you might remember in my earlier video, I have mentioned specifically one video on how to select a robotic welding system for your parts that you are working on. So there are some few basic criteria that you need to take care while selecting a robotic welding system for your parts that you are manufacturing at your end currently. So the first criteria is that you have to segregate or bifurcate the parts which are there in quantum at your end, which needs precision welds, which needs quantities, and according to that you can put those parts in the robotic welding system. Second criteria is that what is the dimension of those parts. So the length, width and the height of the part plays a very important role while selecting the robotic welding system, be it for the fixture side or be it for the robotic welding side. So according to that we will either go for 1.4 meter reach robot or a 2 meter reach robot. We might put the robot on the slider or we might put the robot on the gantry. So it completely depends on the part that you are selecting. And the stronger the parts that you select, the stronger will be the robotic welding system. That is the basic underlying for selecting any robotic welding system for your parts. Thirdly, according to your requirement of welding precision or welding quality that is required for your job, we will either select the welding process that is required for it. It might be MIG welding, it might be TIG welding, it might be plasma welding, it might be laser welding, and according to that we will select the system. So once all these criteria are ensured at your end and you have done the work that is required for selection of robotic welding system criteria, then comes the drawing parts. Once you share those drawings with us, then we can take care of the system ahead after you share the drawings with us. I hope knowledge shared by me will be of your help and it fuels the requirement or the urge of a robotic welding system at your end. And always remember, good selection today means flawless welds tomorrow. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Love welding.